Hi guys, let's continue our work. So my name is Dennis, and you could follow me on Instagram. And let's talk today about how to start to do cap tricks while you're dancing. So there are a lot of routine, and um, I want to say you that the most easier way just take it out. So just take it, and that's all. But honestly, it's not interesting. So my suggestion to you is try to create your own way of doing this. So I just show you a couple of examples. So first one, uh, it's work with this part. So you doing this like uh, angle, then put here palm, then your head, your hand go on here, and you to take this out. Yeah. So if you will see from this side, one, two, go on here, pump. So and from this position, then you could take like this and start to work. So okay, you're dancing, you do some stuff, and then bam, 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 and doing some stuff. Uh, Second one, work also with this part. So you wear a cap like this, you take this, put here, and do some elements like this. So look, bam, 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 and you could become a dance. So like for example, one, two, three, boom. So that's all. Uh, you could work here. So bam, boom. You could work here. Boom. Also, you could do something here. You could do something here like boom, 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 boom. So for example, you have caps like this, but you already have like this, like this. Bam. It's a lot of way to do it, but it's like it's gonna be more interesting than you just take it. So like bam, bam. Or you could like close your head, like close your face, like yeah. A lot of elements like this when you, for example, so you have cap like this. Put your one hand here, and bam. That's all. Then you could work. It's a lot of things. So when you start to do a cap tricks, it's gonna be like your first task because uh, you could learn other steps, you could learn other styles, you could learn how do another guys do this. But the most coolest thing is when you create your own style and when you create your own tricks. And I'm sure it's not true that first of all you should learn a lot of tutorials and like this. No, you could learn a couple of movements, and then you just understand how it works, and you become a dancer. You start to create your own style. So you just could take these caps and like this is gonna be like your first task. Create your own way of how could you take it out. So it's gonna be a lot of options. So uh, work with this part. Work with this part. Yeah. So like for example, like I don't know, palm, palm. Work with your hand, with your fingers, with your elbow. So a lot of things. And also try to create way. How do you um take this? How will your cap come back to your head? Yeah. So like you could use all of these things. Yeah. When you do like pam pam pam. But honestly, it's kind of easy too. You could do all of these things. Yeah. you could do option when you have on an elbow and you just take it. I just see how one guy do it is kind of great. So it's like he has here, he pump, 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 pump. So I don't work with this element, but I think it's kind of good. Also, when you like work here, here, and like uh, take it on you. So try to create your own way. So usually what how I'm doing. So my basic routine is when I want uh, take it so it's like this, or it's like this, or it's like something like this. Yeah. If I want take out, it depends on my mood. So I could just work like this. I could do like this. Uh, I could do like this when I work with the two elbows, pam, pam, pam. I'm work. Also, I could do like pam, 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 pam. So it's a lot of elements. Um, that's why eventually my first task for you is just create your own way. How could you start to do a cap trick? So how could you start? That's gonna be interesting. Thank you.